Hello, everyone. Welcome back again to our channel Drama Log. I'm Sunny here, and with me I have Haneza, and that's Haneza's little one. Haneza, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while. I know you moved and you're settling down, and the
Yeah,
time
yeah,
difference. You moved to Saudi Arabia, right? Is it Saudi
yeah,
Arabia, right?
yeah.
And the
It's
time
October.
difference is now extraordinary time
Yeah,
difference. So
yes,
I'm
yes.
glad that you made the time for us, and we're
Yeah,
doing this
yeah.
review.
Pleasure is all mine. I just missed reviewing with you, and I'm missing Sana Baji a lot. To be very honest, I'm
Yes,
missing her a lot, and
yes.
glad to see you again. And we are back with last episode of Dastak review without much
Yes.
due. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Dastak is something that we both enjoyed a lot watching.
Yes.
We watched the
Yes.
whole show and we never missed any episode. And sadly, it has come to an end, but it ended at the right time, at the right note, I felt.
Yes, absolutely.
Right?
And I just
Right.
love
So,
writer just did a great job with the ending. It was perfect, perfect.
yes. Yeah, it was a wonderful wrapping up of everything that we had seen in the last 40-ish around episodes, right? And kudos to the director, Marina Khan. I think this is one
Yeah,
show where I saw that it's a very simple story, right? There were not many highs and not many lows in the story. But at the same time, there was so much attention to detail that none of the tracks were illogical or unreasonable or even if there was a little in a stretch of imagination anywhere, they kind of gave him an explanation about it in the following episodes. So I absolutely loved the screenplay, the direction, and the performances. So Hai was at her best in this particular show. That's a single mother
yeah,
trying to find
absolutely.
happiness, yeah,
And I
and well
think for
supported by the others as well.
I would like to add one thing for the viewers that have just joined us. दस्तक में हमने लास्ट टाइम एपिसोड 36 तक रिव्यू किया था एंड टुडे हम लोग ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि आप तक बिल्कुल एंडिंग तक क्या हुआ वो पहुंचाएं विदाउट बीइंग अ स्पॉइलर। लेकिन बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो हमने लास्ट में डिस्कस की थी जहाँ पर शानी जो है वो अपने फादर के साथ उसका एक वो दिखाया था कि वो काफ़ी अच्छा उसका बॉन्ड हो गया था लेकिन किरण वाज नॉट इन फेवर कि वो अपने फादर से मिले बट यहाँ जो हमने एंडिंग देखी है वो एंडिंग बड़ी मतलब ज़बरदस्त सी एंडिंग उन्होंने दिखाई है कि कहीं ना कहीं किरण भी रियलाइज़ करती है कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर पजेसिव हो गई थी शानी से रिलेटेड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ उसके जो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस थे और बहुत सारी रियलाइजेशन उन्होंने दिखाई हैं जैसे कि आई थिंक सैफ को भी रियलाइज होता है कि ही वेंट कंप्लीटली ऑफ बोर्ड उसको बिल्कुल ये नहीं करना चाहिए था इट वाज अ वेरी हार्श स्टेप ऑन हिज एंड कि वो एक माँ की परमिशन के बगैर ही वाज अबाउट टू टेक अ किड outside of the country which was itself a very damaging thing to the kid as well। और
Hmm.
इसके अलावा उन्होंने ये भी दिखाया है कि मुइज़ जो थे वो उनकी उनके फादर की रियलाइजेशन बड़ी अच्छी दिखाई है कि दे हैव शोन कि वो ही सेड इन द एंड कि मैं नहीं चाहता कि वो मॉन्स्टर अंकल ही मुझे हमेशा समझे तो ये एक बड़ा अच्छा सा उन्होंने वो दिखाया है कि एवरीबडी रियलाइज ऑन देयर पॉइंट कि ज़रूरी नहीं है चीज़ें बहुत फोर्सफुली लेके चली जाएं समटाइम्स
Hmm.
एक ये भी एक अच्छा क्लोजर होता है कि जैसे फरियाल को जैसा वो चाह रही थी उसके
Hmm.
पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जब चीज़ें हुई तो शी बिकम फ्लेक्सिबल विद शानी एज वेल तो ये चीज़ें
Hmm. Hmm.
उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छे पर्सपेक्टिव में दिखाई हैं और आई एम मच इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग फ्रॉम सनी मैम ऑफ कोर्स यू कि क्या चीज़ें थी जो आपको लगा कि यहाँ पर जो है वो मिसिंग है या कुछ डिटेल्स रह गई हैं समथिंग योर क्रिटिकल रिव्यू अबाउट दैट।
Yeah, well, तुमने बहुत अच्छे से summarize किया all the realizations that each and every character had, like, and we didn't see anybody being supremely toxic in the entire show, right? Firoz's character, which is Saif, came very close, but then he also had a turnaround. And some of these realizations we knew, we expected, we anticipated that it's going to happen. My only thing is that it happened way too quickly. It was like in the last two episodes, everybody had like just quick realizations, one after the other. and maybe they just had to wrap it up. My only, suggestion would have been that we don't see the other characters playing a role in this realization process. For example, Kiran ki jo realization hui, in the middle of the night, she woke up and she had this realization after she had a conversation with Shani. But I would have loved if Moise played a role in it. He had just become a father. If he had played a role in it, he tried to understand it from a father's perspective, Kiran. I know he has done wrong. He was absolutely wrong, and he did an illegal act actually to begin with. But if you can understand what a father goes through, I do because I'm a father myself, so I can understand what Saif is going through. Yes, he had made the mistakes in the past, but then now that he's built a bond with Shani, it's very, very. He's probably finding it very difficult to stay away from him. तो वो मोइस का रोल कुछ होना चाहिए था in the whole process. Moise was basically pretty much sidelined in the last few episodes. वो सिर्फ उसको शॉफर करता है इधर से उधर and then थोड़ा सा पुलिस के
True,
सामने
true, true.
डिफेंड करता है. So there was no like we don't see that conversation that I was longing for. Similarly, Moises' dad's realization should have come through Moises' mother. As she breaks down, कि देखो वो लड़का आके तुम्हें observe कर रहा है when you're with his sister, because he's afraid कि तुम उसके साथ भी गलत behavior करोगे. Can you realize कि how much you traumatize that young kid? So I wanted Moises' mom to kind of drive that point in and made the father realize that then this is not how you want to be present for the rest of your life. And ये family जब grow करेगा साथ में, ये बच्ची एक दिन grow करेगी और तुम and the impartiality देखेगी तो वो क्या सोचेगी? Maybe she will not like you as much as she, right? So those are the things that I thought that would have really amplified the script. But the fact that they wasted a lot of time in between and then they had to kind of rush the ending, they just had to show quickly one after the other. But even then, they did show some valid points. Like, for example, this realization of Kiran's father-in-law via Shani, right? That was a
Yeah,
nice
yeah.
touch. Kiran's realization when he was talking to Shani was a nice touch. Shani was literally the driving force for this reconciliation. And similarly, when Saif was taking Shani to the airport, throughout the way he kept asking कि मम्मी नहीं जाएगी, मम्मी नहीं जाएगी, and जिस तरह से वो हाथ छुड़ा के
Yes.
मम्मी के लिए भागता है, वो that
Yeah,
those were really nice touch, which made Saif realize कि कि ये तो गलत ही होने जा रहा था जो भी होता. Shani would have never approved of it even if he took him there. So वो सारी चीज़ें बहुत बहुत प्यारी थी. And this story we saw a lot of progressive characters like Kiran's Mamu was one of them. Moise is another one. तो बहुत सारे positives थे इस show के.
अच्छा
And we'll
एक
miss
चीज
them.
हमने या अच्छा आई वांट टू माय माइंड इज लाइक ticking that same thing that the director Marina Khan recently she has given the interview and she was saying कि she had faced a lot of trouble with the punctuality of the actors and actresses. So what
Ah.
do you think about that? मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो ड्रामे में आपको लगता है कि वो रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ या what do you think about that? Like कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज उनकी परफॉर्मेंस में नजर आई.
Performance में तो मुझे नहीं नजर आई, but I'm guessing that might have kind of made some of the tracks suffer a little bit or dragged the story. Maybe I don't know what she
Maybe.
actually meant by lack of punctuality. A lot of these actors I know they're into multiple projects at the same times, right? So हो सकता है they didn't give her dates or time or didn't arrive at the right
Yeah.
time. And so इसीलिए वो पिज्जा खाला खाला वाला track को unnecessary extend किया गया
Yes.
होगा.
Yes,
Right.
yes. I
So,
think my mind is going to the same point as well. कि the pizza wala thing is might be the जो हमें लग रहा था last when we reviewed it was like it's too much dragged. Maybe because वो reflect हुआ
हाँ
drama में, right?
हाँ and थोड़ा सा like too much था, like वो उसको ना भी डालते तो चल जाता, like the story वैसे भी progress अच्छे से हो रही थी. And ये जो conflict था ना between सैफ किरण, इस पे
सिर्फ
थोड़ा सा और ध्यान देना चाहिए था because it's not as easily solved in real life like the way they have shown. राइट. सो उसको उस पे थोड़ा और ध्यान देना चाहिए था, उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को और थोड़ा सा हमें लाइक स्टोरी को और थोड़ा सा बढ़ाना चाहिए था उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को, राइट, कि इट रीच्ड अ पॉइंट कि लाइक सैफ इज लाइक अब तो मैं इसको चोरी करके लेके चला जाऊंगा, एंड ही टुक
Yeah,
सच अ ड्रास्टिक मेजर। तो वो
exactly,
वो
exactly.
वो मुझे थोड़ा सा कमी लगी कि तुमने बाकी ट्रैक्स पे इतना टाइम दिया, जो जो मेन ट्रैक था, जो जो एक्चुअली अ सिंगल वुमन की कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाती है विद अ पावरफुल ओपोनेंट लाइक।
I also missed one thing, that how she managed with, matlab, they have highlighted her personal life things very well. But what about the professional life? Like how these all things affect
हाँ
her professional life? They just did not show this this scenario. I missed it. What
हाँ
about, what do you think?
yeah,
What do you say?
very good point, because it took a backseat as soon as she got pregnant with the second child, right? I mean, you only see her reporting to job and saying, oh मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, या घर में कुछ हो गया, please तुम संभाल लो,
Yeah,
जोबिया तुम
yeah,
संभाल
yeah.
लो। And in real life ये होता नहीं है, right?
ये
Even
नहीं
if you have
होता,
your own
yeah.
business, right? तो वो थोड़ा सा like it kind of took a
आई
back
फेल्ट
seat.
आई फेल्ट थोड़ा सा इन्होंने रियलाइज, जब जहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था ड्रामा, इट वाज टू रियलिस्टिक एंड देन दे मेक इट टू फार फ्रॉम रियलिस्टिक थिंग्स के दिस नेवर हैपेंस इन रियल लाइफ. whenever you are
हाँ
working, you gotta take your work seriously. You can't be like कि अच्छा आज ये हो गया, आज वो हो गया. I
हाँ
was also like a little, I was feeling off कि क्यों नहीं इन्होंने सही perspective में दिखाया ये चीज.
I mean, ये वो ही हो गया ना कि as soon as you're married into a big family and then you've got financial stress चला गया तुम्हारा, job took a back seat. They wanted to show that the continuity that she is still a career woman, तो इसलिए थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर दिखाया, but most of the time it was like कि जोबिया तुम संभालो, right? So
ये संभालो.
so yeah, वो थोड़ा तो obviously definitely.
Missed
And
one thing about Moise as well. Okay, the kind of support that was shown by Moise in the starting of their relationship and everything when they were newly married, I found it a little bit. या तो उसको उन्होंने ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दिया है, वो इंटरेक्शन दिखाने के लिए they did not give much screen time to Moise and Kiran in the end, because बहुत सारी चीज़ें वाइंड अप करनी थी. वो चीज़ मुझे
हाँ
मिसिंग लगा कि अगर वो हाईलाइट और मेन लीड थे, तो या तो ये मैसेज उनको डिलीवर करना था कि एवरीथिंग सॉर्ट आउट लाइक दिस, या अगर वो मेन लीड थे तो उनको थोड़ा सा टाइम, स्क्रीन टाइम, आई वांटेड देयर स्क्रीन टाइम टू बी ग्रेटर, और थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्टफुल होता वो, हमें थोड़ा उसमें और चीज़ें देखने के लिए मिलती.
हाँ, and that brings me to that one that I was making earlier. It's like जो major conflict हुआ between Saif and Kiran, उसमें मोइस की कोई इंटरवेंशन ही नहीं थी, या फिर मोइस की
जी,
कोई like
जी.
रोल ही नहीं था, जो
या
कि
या
नहीं होना चाहिए था, right? As a couple there should be like similarly जो फिजा खाला वाला situation हुआ, उसमें मोइस ने एक दो बार कुछ बोला, that's it. वहाँ पे अगर बैठ के एक दूसरे they talked about it, they talked through it, that would have been great, because that's where this is where real couples struggle, right? In a real couple in an everyday world, like Moise will not want to listen ke mera khala bahut gandi hai, वो gandi, she's after you and she should not get married to a good person, he will. तो वहाँ पे how the two convinced each other, and बस किरण को अच्छा दिखाया गया कि किरण ने देखा उसको रोते हुए, and then she just changed her heart, right? So तो थोड़ा बहुत मतलब ये सब चीजों पे ध्यान देना चाहिए था, और we wanted to see more of Moez, and because Ali Raza did a
या
good job, and the
या
chemistry was
या
really so good, right? Okay, it was not like
एंड
those,
मुझे तो
you know
मुझे तो लगा कि उन्होंने कहीं से, मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग विद दिस पर्सपेक्टिव, लेकिन उन्होंने मुइज के सीन्स काफी कट कर दिए.
मुझे
ही
मुझे भी
डिजर्व
वही
दैट.
लगा, वो सिर्फ ऑफिस से आता था और हंसता था 2-3 मिनट, एंड देन गायब, एंड देन रेस्ट ऑफ द शो में वो है ही नहीं कहीं। तो
या
वो थोड़ा तो हमें भी लगा, आई एम गेसिंग बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट शी वाज प्रोबब्ली रेफरिंग टू, कि they were not available. तो बट
या
आली
वही.
राजा एंड किरण का जो केमिस्ट्री था, लाइक मोइज एंड किरण का, दैट वाज रियली सो गुड, राइट? You feel like this is a power couple, they can do
या
everything,
या
um,
या
right?
ट्रू. इन द स्टार्टिंग इट वाज सो मैग्नेटिक और बहुत ज़बरदस्त उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया एवरीथिंग, बट आई थिंक लास्ट में व्यूअर्स को या ओवरऑल हमें भी बहुत वो हुआ कि कुछ ज़्यादा डेडिकेटेड सीन होते उनके, तो इट वुड हैव बीन लाइक मोर मेमोरेबल आई गेस.
Absolutely. The last scene that they shared was sweet, but not impactful. Like,
Not
she says
impactful,
कि
yeah.
like, तुम्हारे जैसे, companion मिलने के बाद मैंने realize किया कि like, good companion क्या होती है. Yeah,
It
but
was,
then, there's
मुझे मुझे राइटर का कुछ समझ नहीं आया, शुरू में इतने अच्छे डायलॉग्स थे एंड लाइक इन द एंड में जाते जाते वो बिल्कुल ही डीरेल हो गई. तो
हाँ,
उनका
हाँ,
जो स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन
हाँ.
किया हुआ था उन्होंने, या आई फेल्ट
Right,
समवेयर.
exactly. Exactly. हो सकता है because I think initially they had planned for 30-ish something episode and then they extended
या
it to like
मे
40 something. वो उस दौरान कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो गया क्योंकि ऐसा
या
लगा ना कि चुटकी में सारे लोगों को सब realizations हो गए and सब अच्छे अच्छे हो गए, right,
मुझे लगता है फिजा
so
खान और उसके ड्यूरेशन में ये आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हर कैरेक्टर का क्लोजर इन्होंने दिखाना था, बट आई डोंट नो फॉर सम रीजंस उनको
हाँ
एंड में ही ये सारी चीजें दिखानी पड़ी.
दिखानी.
Maybe-
Yeah, and वहाँ पे like if you have introduced a character like Fiza Khala who was initially brainwashed by the father-in-law and then she on her own realized कि like Kiran is not like that as being portrayed by the father-in-law. I wish that then they have used this character to convince the father-in-law कि this is where you're going wrong. I have heard this about her. But मैंने सैफ का actual story सुना है from real sources. मैंने अपने आंखों से देखा है सैफ का story. Like he denounced these two, divorced her, gave up Shani, and because he wanted to remarry. मैंने ये story जाना है तो इसमें किरण की कहाँ से कोई गलती रह गई, राइट. एंड देन तो वो उस कैरेक्टर को जब इंट्रोड्यूस किया था उसको ऐसे यूज करना था ना कि उसको ऐसे शादी करा दी मामू से एंड देन इट वाज लाइक और
True.
मामू के साथ ही वो डिस्कस कर रही है कि हाँ किरण बहुत अच्छी है ये मामू ऑलरेडी नोज इट. यू डोंट हैव टू एम्फसाइज दैट टू मामू. You
Yeah,
should have used this to put the word through to the father-in-law, right? So,
very good point. Very good point. Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
yeah, yeah. So, but nonetheless, we want all our shows to be like this with like a taut screenplay, attention to details, कुछ
Yeah,
ज़्यादा
yeah.
illogical ना हो चीज़ें,
Hmm.
and build the chemistry where the chemistry needs to be built.
Yeah, true,
So,
true.
what do you think of Faryal's was she very bold at the end that she took a step? She was told that if you don't
Yeah.
agree with me, I'll divorce you. So, what do you think of that?
I found that she was brave enough to took that step. लेकिन yet at the same time, the reaction of Seth was quite surprising to me because in the starting it was shown that he is very aggressive person, and when he get to know that Faryal has betrayed him and told that
Hmm.
Seth is taking Shani, somewhere else. So just
Hmm.
listening to that thing, he did not reacted the way he used to react. So that was
Yeah.
kind of like a surprising thing for me कि why this person has
Hmm.
turned upside down 360 degree. At least थोड़ा सा उसमें ये दिखाते कि ठीक है change हुआ है but not that much. तो वो चीज मुझे लगा
Hmm.
somewhere or
Ah.
another, yeah, somewhere or another it was
Yes.
unrealistic. It never happens in the real life. But
It never
although that,
happens. Yeah.
yeah, maybe it was the need of the script or something that they have planned to do it in that way. लेकिन वो चीज़ मुझे लगा कि it was quite unrealistic and far from reality.
हाँ, या आई एग्री लाइक मुझे अच्छा लगता आई डोंट नो ये पाकिस्तान में पॉसिबल है कि नहीं मे बी देयर लॉज अगेंस्ट इट पर मुझे अच्छा लगता इफ फड़ियाल वुड बी लाइक ओके यू गिव मी एन अल्टीमेटम राइट लाइक दिस सो ऑब्वियसली आई कैन टेल दैट देयर इज नो लव लेफ्ट बिटवीन अस it's all around the baby that I'm not able to provide you. So in that case, I'm going to report you, and then I'm going to leave you, and then I'll adopt the baby myself and raise the baby myself and lead my own life. I was wondering if she will go down that route, but वो नहीं
Ab,
हुआ.
Pakistani viewers are not ready, or maybe the South Asian viewers, they are not ready for this kind
Hmm.
of,
Yeah.
empowerment. I don't think so.
Yeah.
That's why writer have not
Hmm.
gone to that extent. Like Sarwat
That
Wizri, she's
extreme.
being very
Yes.
smart. Yeah, she's being very smart. She
Yeah.
has shown some characters to be very lenient, and she has shown some characters to be very, upfronting and very retaliating. So I think she was
But
very
within
clever
the
with this.
norms of the
Yeah,
South
yeah, within the
Asian
norm.
acceptance, yeah. Yeah,
Exactly,
I suppose.
exactly.
And I don't know, there might be rules in Pakistan that single moms can't adopt child. So that could be there too, right? So
They,
maybe she needed self support.
I'm not pretty sure about that. Please just comment down below if anybody knows about this
Yes,
sort of
please.
law.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Please
please
let
let
us
us
know.
know. Yeah,
Because that would have been a real women empowerment story, right? कि हर बार इसी आदमी के पीछे इसी आदमी के साथ compromises करते रहते हैं लोग कर रहे हैं दो characters ने किया, right? So हाँ, it worked out. What if Saif had not accepted Skugga, the adopted child? Then उसको तो ऐसे ही रहना पड़ता उसके साथ, right? So
हाँ, yeah, but I
हाँ
felt उन्होंने एक ही in the last episode they have shown everybody to be like सीधे होके बैठ गए सब, like
हाँ सब
everybody is
सीधे हो
like
गए
या सीधे हो गए तो
सब
मुझे
सीधे हो
लगा कि वो
गए
हाँ थोड़ा सा एक दो एपिसोड में भी एक दो कैरेक्टर को सीधा होते हुए दिखा देते तो एक्सेप्टेबल लगता थोड़ा. इन द एंड एवरीबडी वाज
हाँ
लाइक अरे हमें रियलाइज हो गया, हमें रियलाइज हो गया, हमें रियलाइज हो गया.
हाँ
इट वाज काइंड ऑफ फनी.
हाँ that was like too fast and too like
Yeah,
too
too fast. Yeah.
to make believe to live to like
Yes, yes. Just
gut
like
in
happens in the
there. So,
Bollywood movies ना, उसमें भी यही होता है ना.
हाँ हाँ एग्जैक्टली तो वो उस तरह से लाइक दस्तक की एंडिंग को लेके मुझे थोड़ा सा इश्यू है although हम जो चाहते थे वही हुआ
Yeah, yeah, much expected.
and much expected ending and it's nice to show I guess that a non-toxic future is possible for kids like this that come from broken
Yes.
family and
Yeah,
the mom can remarry settle down and have continue a family with this kid as well as the father can do the same but then they together can still co-parent तो ये आई थिंक पहली बार शायद दिखाया
yeah,
जा रहा है on Desi
yeah.
channel so
True,
that's a very
true.
positive
This,
you
I
know
think,
thing
yeah, absolutely great point you have raised that this co-parenting culture is something that was missing because often couples go into the revengeful
yeah
scenario. But I
mm,
think here they have shown very wise and very positive message they have given that okay, no matter
mm,
this is their personal choice if they are living together or not, but they are like giving a
right
proper forum for their kids to grow safely
right
and
right
emotionally they are safe enough कि ठीक है वो देख रहे हैं we have a father, we have a mother as well. So this was a
yeah
very realistic message. I don't know if you remember Hamsafar, there was a drama in which they have shown that Mahira Khan, I don't know, you watched that drama? Have you followed
huh
that?
the Fawad yeah the legendary
या या द
um
लेजेंडरी या इट हैज बीन अब तो बहुत पुराना हो गया लेकिन वहां उन्होंने ये दिखाया ना कि वो कहती है नहीं मैं खुद मैं आई विल सिंगल पेरेंट माय किड. मतलब
yeah yeah mm,
दिस काइंड ऑफ रिजिडिटी जो कि हम अपने ड्रामास में देखते आए हैं वो किसी भी तरह से वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट नहीं है. ये चीज इन्होंने
mm,
बहुत अच्छी डिलीवर की है कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट मीन्स इट डजंट मीन्स ऑलवेज टू बी रिजिड. समटाइम्स यू गोटा
mm,
बी लाइक
mm,
ठीक है you need to understand the situation and then you move according to that rather than being so rigid
हाँ
about कि
हाँ
मुझे ये करना है ये नहीं करना है. You have
right
to move,
yeah the
be
focus
flexible.
has to be the well-being of the child if the
Yeah, yeah,
well-being of the child is getting hampered definitely don't do it but
true.
if you do see that the child can get the nurturing of the father as well more the merrier right to if they say no it takes a village to raise a kid so the more the merrier right so I think this concept of co-parenting जो उन्होंने introduce किया in a positive way I think that was much needed and for that kudos to Dastak.
Yeah, yeah, they
So
have delivered a great message. Yeah,
yeah,
something very new to us.
yes. All right. So on that note, Hune, is there anything else you want to add about Dastak?
I think it was a great show, and I would love to know from our viewers that what you guys have loved about this show.
All right. So we'll see you again with another new review, and we are planning something new. For we are looking at other genres of
Yes.
shows as well, like Korean, Chinese, etc. And so we hope to come back with new content. Till then,
Yeah.
bye bye.
Bye.